Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Acura MDX. Experience the power, elegance, and reliability of the 2017 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/Advance. Redefine your drive today. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the remarkable 2017 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/Advance. Powered by a potent 3.5L V6 engine delivering 290 horses and 267 ft-pounds of torque, it conquers any road effortlessly, leaving others in awe. Boasting factory default features like a panoramic moonroof, white diamond pearl exterior, and parchment interior, it radiates elegance. With less than 68,000 miles driven and impressive fuel efficiency of 18 mpg city/26 mpg highway, it's practically new. Plus, its clean Carfax report ensures peace of mind. Don't miss out on this pristine gem. Visit our dealership today and make it yours. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.